Hi everybody, I'm Giancarlo Rendina, and I'm a Hillsborough County, Florida library worker, paraprofessional. I've been doing this for getting close to 9 years now, and what I've done for this semester and also for my library system is create a library program for the Makerspace labs, specifically in the AV labs, which is called Soup to Nuts Songwriting, or S2N Songs. The goal of this project is to take a user through the full songwriting process from the beginning to end, and what they should leave with is a completed, realized song. When I did my pre-proposal for this class, sort of the pitch and the idea of the class, I thought I had my objectives lined out, and we don't have a whole lot of time for going through these objectives here in this short video. But what I did learn during this process is that my objectives would get more refined as I started working through the Dick and Carey model, that ID model. And so these are the objectives that we've come up with at this point in the design stage. And this is what the user can do and can learn. The learner scope for this class is teens and adults. We're not going to cover, it's outside of the scope for children. So it's not a children's program. The main instructional material is a PowerPoint presentation that is going to be a self-instruction for staff, and also can work in other phases of the program, also to present to the stakeholders. This program is right at the design stage, but there are some ideas on formative and summative evaluation methods for this. The first, and this ties into how HCPLC does instruction, is that it's a self-instruction tool for other staff. So the material can be carried over and should be tested in this way as a way of staff implementing the course at the testing or trial phase. For summative evaluation, we have a survey instrument that's already in place that we do at all of our tech instruction. And also there are AV lab attendance statistics. Another way to measure this would be also the number of completed songs and however they're posted and shared. And we can use that as a way of measuring this. But again, we're designing the program, so we'll have to see how that would work out. This is more hypothetical. Soup to Nuts Songwriting is supposed to be a versatile program, and I want users to be able to come back and revisit other objectives as they need as they go through the reflection process. Another thing I want to mention here, we're at the end of this video, is that basically one thing I thought about as I went through this was branding. And we haven't talked a lot about branding, but I gave this thing a title. It's kind of dorky, but there it is. And I think that has something to do with when you're creating curriculum to actually give it a name and an identity. So that's why I called this thing this. All right? So I hope you enjoyed. Bye-bye. We've gone too long.